Hello, I'm Chris. This short video could help you avoid a serious fault during the independent driving section of your driving test. 1 in 5 tests don't involve following a sat-nav. Instead, you'll have to follow traffic signs for roughly 20 minutes. The examiner has asked me to follow traffic signs for haze. This roundabout doesn't have a sign, so the examiner has helped me out and told me to turn left, first exit. I've just missed the sign for this roundabout. Oh no, I've just realised that I should turn right, third exit for haze. But I'm not allowed to turn right in this lane, and if I do, it will be dangerous, and I would definitely fail my test. Whether you're following traffic signs or the sat-nav, or you've passed your driving test and driving on your own, don't panic, or do anything dangerous. Just drive safely and legally, and take a different exit or road. On your driving test, the examiner or sat-nav will just direct you back en route. Or if you're on your own, then either find somewhere safe to turn around, or just go the slightly longer way. I'm allowed to turn left or follow the road ahead in this lane, so I'll just follow the road ahead second exit. The main thing to remember is not to make any turns at the last second, as that would be dangerous. Instead, just miss the turn, and as long as you're driving safely, you won't fail your test or even get a driving fault. But if you're on your driving test, make sure that you don't turn down a road that leads to a motorway or miss roads on purpose. Just a quick tip today, but I really hope it helps. Good luck with your driving test if you have one soon. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us to make more. Thanks a lot for watching, take care on the road, and see you on the next video.